Hey, if your Vizio TV's volume just won't budge, or the sound vanished out of nowhere, don't panic yet. Before digging around in cables or calling support, try these quick fixes with me. Most of the time, it's just a weird software hiccup. First up, grab your Vizio remote and power on the TV. Hit that menu button and head right into audio settings. Find TV speakers. Make sure it's set to auto or on. If it's off, your TV's basically got its mouth shut. Switch it, back out of the menu, and crank the volume to see if you're back in business. No luck? Let's move on. Time to power cycle. Trust me, this trick solves more problems than you'd think. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall. Wait a full minute. Seriously, count it out. While you wait, press and hold the power button on the back of the TV for 30 seconds. That drains leftover juice and gives your TV a mini spa day. Once the minute's up, plug it back in and fire it up. Fingers crossed, your sound is back. Still quiet? There's one more method to try. Start by pressing the menu button on your Vizio remote. From here, depending on your TV model, head into Admin and Privacy. You might find this under Menu, System or All Settings. Don't worry, they all lead to the same place. Once you're there, select Restart TV or Soft Power Cycle. If it works, awesome. If not, it might be a hardware issue and you'll want to get it checked out. Let me know in the comments which step did the trick for you. Thanks, and see you next time.